this side Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be about a weekend analysis of gold, Xauusd, and this video is going to about a trade analysis like which levels are important and which levels are not, and basically the analysis for next week. So my analysis will be in gold. If you will see, let's jump into the video without wasting any time. So I especially my biggest time frame for analysis is a daily time frame, because I am a intraday like day trader. So my biggest time frame is the daily chart. So I prefer my biggest time frame as the daily chart, and in a daily chart you will see that mm, the price action is very smooth. The price action is very smooth, and the market respects the levels, supply levels and demand levels very beautifully. So this is a daily time frame, and this is a complete bearish trend. It was on 6th 7th November, 11th November, around like that. So this was a complete bearish trend, and from exactly from this support, as you can see here, exactly from this support the market has reversed again. So here this support was already drawn before the market even, this is the whole week. This is a Monday to Friday. This whole week was this whole week was very bullish on gold. As you can see, this was the Monday candle, this was the Tuesday, this was the Wednesday, this was the Thursday, and this was the Friday candle. As you can see, the week was very bullish, and covered this week. Gold has covered almost around so many points. As you can see here, 1518 18 pips. That's huge, like very huge. 1000 and almost 1500 plus point pips. So this week was very bullish for gold, and you can see here, as this support was this what you will say, this demand zone was this support, especially this support was respected so beautifully here in the daily time frame. And as you can see also here, the resistance, the supply zone over here, which I drew. So over here this common rejection point was considered, and here a support, this resistance was drawn, and as you can see, the Friday candle has broken out this, you can see this resistance over here in the daily time frame. So there are basically two probabilities here. As one of the probabilities that it will continue to push up. It will continue to push up till here, up till here. As you can see, this clean range over here. So it is around 330 pips, as you can see here. So one of the probabilities is that it will continue to push up due to this breaking out this resistance zone, this supply zone over here, and it will continue to push up around 330 pips. But in between, like, there are many, like, not like it will push up in this single candle. This is not necessarily possible. It can push up with 2-3 days it will take to cover 330 pips with 2-3 candles in the daily time frame. But yeah, then the two probabilities are there. One of the probabilities which I have told, that it will continue to push up, and another probability will be, as it broke this resistance level in the second, on the Monday, gold might be little bearish to you know give a liquidity sweep type to you know hit the SL of those traders who are trading in the daily time frame. So it will give a little liquidity sweep type, and maybe a bearish candle can be formed to take out the SLs of the traders who are trading in the daily time frame. So it might be, so there is a till now you will be confirmed that there are 50% chances for, due to the liquidity sweeps, or due to the breakout it will continue to push up. That is one probability, and another probability is that it will give some liquidity sweeps. So due to liquidity sweeps, bearish candle can be formed, and after that we will get another support over here. After suppose we consider that in the next candle which will be opened here, suppose we get a liquidity sweep over here, and suppose the bearish candle is formed till here. So we will get this resistance over, we will get another resistance over here. but there are chances, there will be a no liquidity sweep and the trend will be reversed from here. Like there are this is also a probability, three probabilities are there basically. So this can, if it will be a liquidity sweep, then we will get a nice resistance over here which we will wait to break out, or we can trade within the area of the zones in smaller time frames. So this is the daily time frame analysis, and let me show you the 4 hour time frame. This is the daily major supply zone, daily resistance, which was the major zone, and it respected it so beautifully, and it broken out as you can see here. you know a very clean range over here, about 330 pips. Yeah, 330 pips. Yeah, okay, we can consider it as a clean 313 pips clean range, 313 pips clean range, and this is the 4 hour time frame. Like I am also very for the next week I am very bullish on gold. Like there will be retracements, okay, no problem, but you know there will be strong checkpoints, tick boxes before placing shorts positions. But while taking longs, I think I will be not hesitating, but while taking shorts I will be hesitating a little, because the overall trend for this week in gold is bullish. So this is one of the time frame analysis in 4 hours, and let me jump into 1 hour time frame, which is my favorite, one of the favorite time frames. After this we will analyze the 30 minutes. So here also pretty much the same thing you can see. Let me compare you with this clean range over here. This is where I was planning to till here. Now when we are shifting into smaller time frames, we can see that clean here up till here. Suppose the price is here, up till here to here, you know 163 pips is a clean range over here. As you can see here, that when we are decreasing the time frame, we are getting details about it, and we are finding a perfect resistance to measure the clean ranges, like where we can expect the price to reverse back again. So there are chances that from here, as you can see, let me draw the zone. This is, as you can see here, this is a common rejection point. Let me draw the zone so it will be clear. This is a common rejection point. This is a common rejection point, as you can see. So if we will stretch out, if we will stretch it out, so there are chances the price will be reversing from here, from this zone over here. And this is in 1 hour we got this because we lowered the time frame, and we got this market structure, this clear market structure over here. But in 4 hour, if you will see it, there will be not enough market structure over here, as you can see here. See, you will be not finding any much more details in the 4 hour, but in 1 hour, as you can see here, in 1 hour, that's the beauty of this is the beauty of analyzing different time frames. You can see here the common rejection point. So here, from this zone, probably from this zone, there are high probabilities that the price will be entering this zone and it will be reversing back from it. Or otherwise, if it breaks the zone, if it breaks the zone, then we will be getting weak fills of around 41 pips. If it breaks this zone over here, in this zone, then we will get a 41 pip move. I'm just anticipating, guys, like not predicting. I'm just anticipating. There is huge difference between anticipating and predicting. So this is one of my probabilities. I'm just playing with probabilities, and this is my weekend analysis. So I just like to mess around during weekends in gold charts, because I cannot stay away from charts. Even though the market is closed, I cannot stay away from the charts, because this is obsessing. If you are not obsessed, then you will not make enough money in this market. You have to be obsessed in everything to be great. Not discipline and consistency is not enough to be great. So yeah, this is a short motivation. Let's jump into the 30-minute time frame. In there we will get much more market structure. So yeah, this is like pretty much good. We'll shift this. Yeah, from this zone there are high probabilities that the zone will the you know trend will be reversed, or you can see after the reaching this price, the we can see a bearish movement. Common rejection point, by holding the common rejection points, this zone was drawn. So yeah, this was all about the weekend analysis. This was all weekend analysis for the gold. And if we will see the major news in gold, we can see that on Tuesday we have the consumer confidence news. Then on Wednesday we have Wednesday is a big day for USD. We can see like GDP news is there, also unemployment claims are there, and also PCE index is to be announced. So yeah, there are Wednesday is a big day. Wednesday will be more volatile, and also in Thursday FOMC meeting is there. So this kind of this week's the next week is gonna be especially in where the next week's Wednesday and Thursday will be more volatile. So yeah, if you trade news, then good for you, but I don't trade news. So yeah, I will be staying away from the charts in on this time. So it's pretty much this time is around this time is according to the IST, Indian Standard Time. So in IST 7 p.m. and in IST 8:30 p.m. and in IST 12:30 a.m. pretty much on in these times New York sessions are going on. New York session is going on. So I basically don't trade New York session because according to my setup, the uncertainty is basically more in this session. So I basically trade only London Open and pre-London. During those times only I execute my orders. So I will be like very rarely I trade New York session. So yeah, on Tuesday, Wednesday I will be staying away from these charts during those times in New York session. So yeah. I will be hitting the gym, probably that's better because in New York session, obviously the according to my setup, uncertainty is increases in gold, and also during these times there will be much more uncertainty. So yeah, blowing up the accounts, blowing up the profits will not make any sense with while trading these times are only not making any sense for me. So I will not trade those times. But yeah, there are if you are a new trader, there is high very very high impact news is coming around in the next week, especially the FOMC meetings and the unemployment claims news, in which we get bigger moves. So yeah, this was all for it, guys. This was all for the video. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly hope you have gained some value from it, and your time have the, how much I don't know how much the video is long, but yeah, this was all for it. Thank you, bye bye, peace out.